Hi there, it's me, Gorgeus Disgrace, and in today's video, I will be doing this challenge. What I'm calling this challenge is, this is my face, I don't wear makeup. It is inspired by Alaska Thunderfuck song, this is my hair, I don't wear makeup. This is my hair, I don't wear wigs. Let's get right into doing the look. And for my face, I'm literally going into the everyday makeup products I go into. My Rimmell London Soft Beige Foundation, which I used in my last tutorial. Because everybody's talking about Tarte. And I'm just taking my foundation the way I normally do, starting off right at the bottom. Don't know if I trust this light. Do you like my new backdrop? I'm decided to film in multiple different locations because you're probably bored of seeing the same locations. Because it's like, we get it, you have makeup. Because that's where I always film, is right in front of my makeup desk. So the best way to do this look, for me, because I'm just patting it right all over my face at the moment. But for me, this look, the best way to do it is by you got to work literally everything in. You don't want to look cakey, you want to look flawless, you want to look bomb. You want people to question, is she wearing makeup or is she born with it? Like that's what I'm going for with this look. So like your contour, well for me, my contour is going to be very natural. I actually have this as a picture on Instagram of this look, and I was like, that looks very pretty. It looks very like everyday, and it also looks very glam. So right now I'm just blending everything. Actually, I'm gonna go grab it's not a beauty blender, it's a triangle sponge, but I'll be right back. Couldn't find the one I wanted to use, so I'm just taking this little one, because we gotta buff that into the skin. And I got it wet. Literally, this part of the video is going to be literally what I do for my makeup, like, every day. Like, the same foundation, the same concealer. Next, I'm using the CoverGirl Invisible Fair Concealer. I'm just putting it right under my eyes there. On my nose. Right there, and a line there, and there. And now, time to buff that in. Buffing that in. Also gonna take my flat brush again just to buff it in even more. And then next I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. HD Soft Luminescence powder. Like literally same products, like even for my Instagram posts. But I'm using this brush. And I'm just buffing that all over my face. I can literally see powder flying. And I'm gonna go into the flat brush again, just to pack more. And put it right under the eye there, so we can go baking. And make sure the under eyes are set. Mostly because I have a lot of extra product in here that it's like, okay, let's use this hooker. So my eyes, brows, and contour and highlight, I'm going to be using this palette called The Night Is Mine by The Body Shop, X House of Holland. This is going for only $10 right now, so I suggest you be getting your booty to a body shop. And yeah, so it comes with this color, two in here, a lip, and a highlighter. So for my contour, I usually take a fan brush, and I just go like that. And remember, we're trying to look like flawless and sculptured, and that we are just, this is our face. But also, I'm just gonna go into the NYX the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, and I'm going to be going into Sculpt right here, because it has a gray undertone, which will make it look more like a shadow opposed to a, I don't know. Okay, that's just my hair. And I often go back into the brush I use for my powder and just blend some stuff together. I'm going to be taking this brush and this palette, and I'm going to be going right into this color right here. Actually, I'm going to be going into this color by Makeup Forever. It's a very fun orange color, and it's great as a transition tone with my hair being deciding to be messy. I'm just going to get in a little bit. You kind of want to take a loose hand while blending this because you want it to look very, very soft. So just take your brush very much at the end. Like as you can see right here, I have it very lightly and very light strokes. Like very light strokes. And then next I'm going into this palette and taking this brown color right here. She's just called 1. Like, as you can see, my eyes are starting to look alive. With my highlighter, I like to go crazy with my highlighter. I like to just go bam. And then, as I normally do, just blend it down the nose, there, and then I just do the button. So then I'm going to go into this flat brush, going into the NYX palette, going into this color right here. What's she called? Cream. I need to... I'm just going to take that right under my brow bone. Just to clean up any edges or so that are in between the lines here. So just going into another blending brush and just constantly softening the look. Because I don't think there's anything on this brush. Don't want a hard line here. I don't want to look at the post I posted of Instagram with this look and see how I did it different. But next I'm going in this flat top brush and going into the highlight color. Because with this, I just want to put it right in the inner corner to brighten up the eyes. I'm sorry, but I just want to go a little more intense. So I'm taking a flat brush like one of these little things, just right at the corner, just a little bit in the center of my eyes. It looks different on camera than it does when I'm looking in my mirror. And next up, mascara, because this is going to make my eyes look full. Damn. Oh, how is happening over here? I'm looking at it in my mirror and it looks different. Let's just put some more of that other color down. Where is my angled brush that I used to put on my eyebrows? That's not it. Okay, here we go. So I'm also going back into her for my brows. Yeah, we're trying to go for nice, clean, filled-in brows that look nice. So, not Instagram brows. Okay. So there's the brows. You guys, the contour. I don't really like blush. Oh my god, my powder. And just putting. And then again, back to the Night Is Mine palette. Sorry, I'm looking for a brush. That's why I'm not really. That's all I'm looking down. I gotta stop swearing so much because my videos will get demonetized. And just putting... So yes, I'm going into her. She's just called 5. Putting her on the cheekbone just to shine it up. So I'm gonna go back into this brush and just blend it. And for the lips, I'm going to this color from the Body Shop, the Matte Lip Liquid Windsor Rose 034. Right now you can get this in a set with... You can get this in a set with 2 other lip colors. Martius Dahlia 027, and where she was wearing her yesterday. And Nairobi Camellia 034 at your Body Shop X the House of Holland collection for only $15. I really like the Body Shop's makeup, so that's why I've been buying it and wearing it, because I love Zook. So this is my face. I don't wear makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for coming. Bye.